Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to create eye-catching social media marketing videos with the easy-to-use Placeit video creator. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I release a new tutorial. Placeit is definitely one of my favorite tools that I've used over the years to build my online business. Not only can you easily create t-shirt designs, product mockups, and brand logos, but also eye-catching social media promo videos that you can use to market your print-on-demand or other e-commerce products. Placeit provides you with thousands of pre-made video templates that you can quickly edit to make custom marketing videos that will help you stand out from the competition. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the entire process of creating a marketing video with Placeit. As an example, I'll be creating a new promo video for my Quantum Designs Facebook brand page to market a new product design I just released. To follow along and create your own marketing video, go ahead and click the link in the video description to access Placeit. So now that you've joined Placeit, let's get started by checking out the thousands of pre-made video templates that are available for you to use. From the Placeit homepage, let's look up at the top menu and click on the Videos tab. This should take you to a page where you can select the type of video you want to make. As you can see, you can select to make a video in various formats such as slideshows, Instagram stories, intros, product demos, or Instagram videos. These are actually only a few of the categories that are available, but as an example, let's select to make a product demos video. This will take you to a page where you can view all the video templates on Placeit that are related to product demos. They have tons of different video styles and formats that you can use to create videos for Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform. To preview any of the templates, simply hover your mouse over the one you want to view. Any of the templates on Placeit can be fully customized by adding your own text, images, or videos. If you look at the menu on the left-hand side, you can also sort the video templates based on various styles or tags. This is a great way to sort the video templates based on a certain format or theme. As an example, let's select the tag to see only the horizontal 16:9 video templates. Now if you scroll through your search results, you should only see the video templates that are in the 16:9 format. Feel free to take your time and browse through the various templates and find one that you feel will match your product. For my example marketing video, I think I'll go with this video template here. Once you select your video template, you should be taken to the Placeit video editor. Here's where you can fully customize the Placeit template to create your own social media marketing video. As an example, I'll be creating a marketing video for my brand new puppy love t-shirt design. So first, if you look at the menu on the left-hand side, you'll be able to update the text of your template. Simply replace the default text with text that describes your product. Once you've finished updating your template text, you can then change the font and the text colors. This can be done using the drop-down menus underneath each text element here. Go ahead and select colors and fonts that you feel will work best with your brand or product. Now that I've finished updating my text, I can now move down and add my product shot. Your product shot is, of course, an image of your product that will be shown in your marketing video. For your image, it's best to use a product mockup with a transparent background. I created my product shot with the Placeit mockups generator, which you can also access once you join Placeit. Once you open your image, you'll then be able to resize and rearrange your image if needed. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on crop. Once it finishes cropping, your image will then be added to your video template. Now that you've updated your template text and added your product shot, let's look at the menu on the right-hand side of the screen and update the template colors. Depending on the template that you selected, you may have various options here that you can update. For my template, I can update the background color and also the layout 1 and layout 2 colors. Changing your layout colors will update the colors of the various elements on your template. Make sure you're selecting colors that work well with your brand or the product that you're marketing. Underneath your project colors, you can also select to add a background image or even a video. You could use the button here to upload your own image or video, or search through thousands of images and videos that are available in the Placeit library. Placeit has videos and images for almost any niche, so whatever you're looking for, you're likely to find it in the Placeit library. So as an example, let's go with this background video here. Once you select a background, it should automatically be added to your video template. Now that we've finished customizing all of our video elements, let's add the final touch, which is our audio track. If you look at the top of the menu on the right hand side, you'll see the audio track section where you can add background music to your video. The Placeit audio library has tons of different audio tracks that you can add to your project that covers many different genres. No matter the style of video you're creating, whether it's upbeat and happy, or chilled out with a relaxed vibe, you'll find the perfect track for your video in the audio library. So for my background music, let's select this upbeat track here. So we just finished customizing the first scene of our template, but if you look down at the bottom, you'll see that this template actually has multiple scenes. If your template has more than one scene, go ahead and go to the next scene and follow the same process to customize the video. Each scene may be slightly different, but go ahead and fill in the various elements such as your text, your images, and your background. If you like, you could easily remove a scene using the menu at the bottom, or add a new scene by clicking the plus sign here. When you select to add a new scene, you'll see a new window pop up displaying all the different templates that are available on Placeit. Feel free to browse through the templates and customize your video as much as you like. So I'm finally finished editing all of my template scenes, but before I can download my video, I'll first have to preview it. To do this, let's look at the bottom of the screen and click the Play All button. It may take a few minutes for all of your scenes to process, but once it's finished, you'll be able to preview your new video. Go ahead and preview your video and make sure there are no errors or any changes that are needed. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Download button. If you go up to the top right hand side of the page, you'll see a tab called My Downloads. If you click the drop down menu, you'll be able to see the status of your new download. Once your new video finishes processing, you'll see the status change to read "Click here to download." Go ahead and click that now and save your new video to your computer. And voila! We've just finished creating our first social media promo video. Let's open it up now and see how it looks. Not bad. I think this will work great for promoting my new design on my Facebook brand page. By using eye-catching videos, you'll be able to set your store and your online products apart from the competition. Not only are videos great for things like Facebook posts or Instagram stories, but also will convert much better when running paid ads or promotions. When viewers click your post or promotion, they can be taken directly to your product sales page. So that's a quick overview of how to create amazing social media marketing videos using the Placeit Video Creator. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.